Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Meta Ads, and that is how to create offers with the help of e-commerce manager sections. So as you already know, if you are running a e-commerce website, there are multiple offers that came month by month. There are some festival offers, there are some seasonal offers. So there are a lot of type of offers that came. So if you are running an e-commerce website, you know about that. Yes, we need to give offers according to the season, according to the time in the year, to get the attraction of the visitor and to convert them easily. So in today's video, I will let you know how you can create offers in the e-commerce manager section and use the same in the ads, so that people easily see that offers, and that will help us to convert them easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you. So first of all, you just need to go to your Facebook ads dashboard. Here you just need to click on the all tool section, and after clicking on it, you can see there is a commerce manager option present at the bottom corner. So you just need to click on it, and once you click on it, it will redirect you to the e-commerce manager section, where you need to see the catalog, which is already created. If you know about the catalog, you knew what I'm talking about. The catalog is already created, but yes, in today's video we'll need to find out how we can create offers. Like basically, let's suppose there are two products on which you want to give the offers. There are only two products on which you want to give the offers. So you need to create a separate offers for that particular product, because if I talk about the website backend, offers are valid for all the products. But yes, if your client asking you that yes, I need to sell these two products and the offer is valid for only these two products, so how you can create offer for them? So that is the thing which we'll discuss in today's video. As you can see, now we are in the commerce manager section. You just need to check the option at the sideline. As you can see, there are a lot of options here: overview, catalog, shops, UGC, customer feedback, offers, insight, to-do list, all tools. So if you click on the offers section, if you see the offer section, as I have already created some offers that is for all product, but now I'll showcase you how you can create offers for some separate product, like for only for two products, let's suppose. So in the offer section, what you need to do is you need to click on the manage offers. As you can see, at the top there is a blue button which is asking manage offers. So you just need to click on it, and after that you will get a drop down menu as create sale, offer merchandising, email offer, sign up offer, shopping, Shopify syncing option. So you need to click on the create a sale option. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the page where you can create offers. Name your sale. By saying sale mean to say offer, so don't confuse in that. Like sale mean to say offer. So I will let's suppose right now we are in the summer season, so let's suppose it is the summer offer that is only valid for two products, summer offers. So now I will select that two products. As you can see, it will give you all the products that is present in your catalog. So you just need to choose of them. Like let's suppose I have choose these 11 products for the offers, like dog food for upset stomach. Okay, and I will confirm it, and it will, as you can see, it will see that product and easily will be added in here. So that offer will only be valid for that. If you want to add some more products like dog food for sensitive skin, then you can do it as well. So it will automatically select those products as well. Okay, so after that you need to set the duration, like how much time that offer will be given. Like let's suppose today is 8th, and from 4 p.m. I need that offer only for 15th by 12 a.m. and after that the offer will automatically close. So I have set the timing here, and after setting up the timing, it will ask me for the option to create sale. Okay, and one second. As you can see, this is how people will see it. Like use code save15 to get 15% off. So once you create that particular offers for particular products, you can see in the appearance section how the customer will see it. So this is how the customer will see the offer once you will create it. And now I will just click on the create sale button. Yeah, and as you can see, there is a pop-up here, offer created, summer offer. So this offer is created, and now you can also edit that as well. If you want some you need to add some more products, so you can add some a product name and other things as well. Let me let me add some more products like food. So the offer is created. As you can add the product on which you want to get that offer. You have the option here as well. And by doing this, once the offer will be placed on that particular products, you can add the product ID and name here as well. After that, you can just edit the offer, and you will able see all the products here, like the summer products. That suppose we will use this one, and we will save it. So how it is working is, like, once the sale has been implemented for particular products, what happen is, once you will use that particular product in a catalog sale campaign in the meta ads, that offer will automatically showcase for that particular product. So this is how you can use it. This is how you can use that criteria for your particular products on which you are giving the offers, and create offers and use them in the campaigns. And as I've already shown you how people will see it when somebody click on that particular product, the offer will came up automatically in the form of pop-up. So this is how we create offer. This is how we use it in the ads. And if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.